In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your language in DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. From here, what you're going to do is go to the bottom left and click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now, what you're going to go is on the general settings. Right here, as you can see, there is a language option. Now, if you click right here, a drop-down menu will appear. This will include all the possible languages that you can use, like English, or maybe even Italiano, Indonesian. It's all right here. You can also choose to click on the system, which means whatever language your system or your PC system uses, it will follow that. And that's it. As easy as that. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.